Hi, this is Andrea with DocuClipper. DocuClipper supports most bank and credit card statements. This video shows how to create a custom template for any document that is not already supported. First, click on Other Documents. Then click on Create Template. Give it a name and drop in the PDF. Use the thumbnails on the left to go to the appropriate page. Next, click and drag to select the data you want to extract. Select the field type, which is a table in this case, and the number of columns. Here we have 5. Then drag the blue bars to mark where the columns start. To export the data, click on XLSX or CSV, and DocuClipper will download a spreadsheet with the data. If the table is present in other pages, you can select all pages under Page Configuration. If you need to process more documents of the same type in the future, you can save the template by clicking on Create Template. To process more statements, go to Other Documents, search for the template we just created, and drop in the PDFs. The data will be extracted automatically. If you have any questions, you can always email support@DocuClipper.com. Thanks for watching.